Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to send custom invoice on Shopify. So Shopify can send invoices, but a custom design or extra fields are limited. If you want some full customization, we'll need an app. So as an example, on this list panel, you can go and click on apps, and here we can go and click on all recommended apps. Right here at the bottom, click on Shopify App Store, and this will open the Shopify App Store. So look for an app that can send some custom invoices for us. So there are some popular apps. Some of them are the Order Printer Pro, Sufio, Invoice Hero, and these apps will let you add logo, change some layouts, add some tax info, download the PDF invoices, auto send invoices. So if you don't want to do all of those manually, and some of these options is not allowed or is not available in Shopify, you will be able to do them using some apps. So as an example, let's just look for, or I'm just going to type here, so custom invoice. Okay, so in this custom invoices example, you'll find a lot of apps that does this. You can look for the app that suits your needs, but as I said, the popular options are Order Print Pro, Sufio, and Invoice Hero. So as an example, just look for Invoice Hero. Of course, for you, you don't have to use the one that I'm telling you to. There are a lot of apps. You can browse through all the apps that you want. As an example, see the app, see the rating, see how many people rated, see as an example what it does in the description. And if you like it, you'll be able to use it. As an example, you can even see the plans. So this one has a free to install options. It's up to 50 invoices included. So if you don't have many orders, as an example, this app would be good for you. You can look the Sufio as an example. So this one, let me just type it out. This one, you can look it up. And there's also the Order Printer Pro. So Order Printer Pro. These two apps can work good for you as well. For me, I'm just going to install this one. Okay, I guess this was just an issue. Let's just click on install again. Yeah, it's working. So just wait for it. Click on install to install the app. And here we are. The app is installed. So as an example here, we know you're excited to send beautiful invoices to your customers. You can, of course, schedule a demo or just do a quick setup. Let's just do a quick setup as an example. And here you'll find, as you can see, the custom demo or a preview of your custom demo, as an example on the right. You'll be able to enter, as you can see, you'll have to go through 5 steps, starting by the company details. So as an example, let's just say this is the name of my company. You can add the tax type or tax number here, click on next, and then as an example, so those stuff, so you don't have to keep editing them every time. So those are some of the default stuff. They'll just add it here. So as an example, choose the invoice language. There are a lot of languages, not just English. You can choose the color. An example, let's just say I like blue. I'm just going with the blue. And here you can also upload a logo if you want to. Let's just say I'm just going to upload like one of the logos that I have. Just go here and let me just go and use this one. For example, this is my logo. Click on next. You can remove it if you want to. And basically you'll have to go through all those steps. To not make the video like more, just go through the all steps. And yeah, that's how you basically like send some custom invoices. You'll be able, as you can see, to set up a lot of settings on this app, like send invoices automatically on customer order or send invoices manually when my customer requests. So whatever you want. So you have a lot of things to do and a lot of things to customize. And that should be it for you. So this app will work automatically. If you surpass the 50 invoices per month, you'll have to start paying a plan and you should be good to go. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.